Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share my all-time favorite snack, coconut bun or Dilpasand or Dilkush. In Tamil Nadu we say it as a Thengai Bun. Dilpasand is an Indian pie filled with a moist coconut and fruity filling which is commonly available in all the bakeries in India. My dad used to buy this every day when I was a small kid. All of a sudden I had a craving for this. I have never seen this coconut bun in the US, so tried to make it at home itself. It came out so good as I get it in India. Me and my husband enjoyed eating this coconut bun with our kids and sharing our childhood memories with them. Just good old days. Felt so happy. Try this, you won't regret it for a bit. I proofed the dough in my Instant Pot and baked it in my air fryer. You can also proof the dough in the countertop and bake it in the oven. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. First, we'll start preparing the dough. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. In a bowl or cup, combine together lukewarm milk, sugar and yeast. Mix it well. Cover it with a plate and let the yeast activate for 15 minutes until it becomes bubbly and foamy. Use fresh and good quality yeast, else the bread will turn chewy. Now the yeast is activated. After 15 minutes, in a bowl, add the flour. If you want, you can use whole wheat flour also, but the taste won't be the same. Salt, melted butter. Instead of butter, you can use oil and the yeast mixture. Stir to combine together to a dough. Use your hands to make a dough. The dough will be a bit dry at this stage. Add 1 to 3 teaspoons of additional lukewarm milk if needed and start kneading. I added about 2 teaspoons of milk in total. Knead it for 5 minutes, the dough becomes soft. The next step is proofing the dough. I am going to proof my dough in my Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, cover the dough with a tea towel or cling wrap the bowl and let it proof for 1.5 hours. Grease the inner pot with some oil or butter. Place the dough into it. Coat the dough with oil or butter. Close it with regular lid with vent open, or you can use the glass lid as well. Select yogurt setting and set the time for 30 minutes. Let it proof. Instead of proofing the dough, you can also cheat and buy pastry sheets and use that. Dilpasand recipe with puff pastry would be crispy and flaky outside with the same moist coconut flavor inside. While the dough is proofing, let's make the filling. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. In a separate bowl, add shredded coconut. You can use fresh or frozen one. Tutti Frutti. I'm using homemade Tutti Frutti. I have given the recipe link for how to make Tutti Frutti in description box below. Do check it. Cherries, almonds, cashew nuts, cardamom powder, icing sugar. You can also use brown sugar instead, and melted butter. Mix it well and set it aside. Use any nuts of your choice. When I was eating this coconut bun after a very long time, all my childhood memories were flashing for a moment. I know many of us love to eat this coconut bun when we were kids. The filling is ready. Next step is to shape the dough. Proofing is done. After 30 minutes, your dough will be double the size. Punch the proof dough slightly and knead it for a minute. Divide the dough into half, or if you want to do a designs on top and sides, save a little quantity of dough for that. Take one ball and roll it into circle. You can also make this as individual size by making small buns stuffed with filling. It's not to be too thick or too thin. This is perfect. Place it on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Spread the prepared coconut stuffing uniformly, leaving the sides. Take another dough and roll it into circle. Use this to cover the top of the filling. Press the 2 circles at the end to seal properly so that nothing opens up while baking. With the remaining dough, make the circle border design or any designs you want. You can bake it like this as well. If you want to do a braid border, roll the remaining dough into thin cylinders. Use 2 such cylinders and overlap it on each other to make a braid. Patch it on the outer end of the pie using some batter at the base to stick them well. Cover it with a tea towel and let it proof for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once proofed and right before baking, give the dough a milk wash to get the golden brown color. In the air fryer, select the air fry option. Set the temperature of 330 degrees Fahrenheit and time for 12 minutes. Preheat the air fryer for 3 to 4 minutes or bake it in a preheated oven for 350°F for 30 minutes. After preheating is done, keep the tray inside, let it cook. After 10 minutes, just check the pie once. We don't want burnt pie because all the air fryer differs. Now my home smells so good, it smells like I'm in an Indian bakery. Once out of the oven or air fryer, brush the coconut bun with some butter on top to get the shiny glossy effect and also to soften the crust. Allow it to cool down at least 10 minutes before slicing. Enjoy eating this coconut bun with your family and cherish your good old memories. My kids had it for first time. They loved it. How was it? Yummy? Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, pin the recipes on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.